Edexcel A level further mathematics. In further mathematics 1, you have to study about these lessons. First one is vector. Then second one, conic sections 1. Third lesson is conic sections 2. Fourth lesson, inequalities. Fifth lesson, the T formula. Sixth lesson, Taylor series. Seventh one, methods in calculus. Eighth one, numerical methods. Ninth one, reducible differential equations. Lesson number 1, vectors. In this lesson, we have to study about vector product. It is denoted A cross B. Vector product and their relationships. We have to study from this lesson. Vector product. We already studied about scalar product. Scalar product, we also known as dot product of two vectors, A dot B. A dot B equals modulus of A modulus of B into cos theta. Theta is the angle between vector A and vector B. Modulus of A mean size of vector A or magnitude of vector A. Modulus of B means magnitude of B, like that. It is vector product. In this lesson, we mainly focus about this one is scalar product. This lesson, we mainly focus about vector product. Scalar product A dot B, we can denote like this. Vector product, also known as cross product, we define as A cross B, like that. Scalar product A dot B, vector product A cross B, like this. A cross B equal to modulus of A, modulus of B. Same as scalar product, but into sine theta instead of cos theta. Not only that, we have to multiply from n. What is the n? N is also vector perpendicular to vector A and vector B. Theta is the angle between vector A and vector B. Now we have to learn about vector product. Especially about that n. Scalar product is the only value. It has only magnitude. It is not a vector, but vector product is a vector. It has magnitude and direction. Both. What is the meaning of n? The direction of n is the in which a right-handed screw would move when turned A to B. You can use this method to find n. Vector A and vector B we can denote like this. Vector A from first finger, like this. Vector B, second finger. We have to change perpendicular to each other like this. A and B, also A and N, also B and N. This is the direction of A into B, also direction of N. Same thing, same direction. Right hand rule. You can use right hand. Use your right hand. First finger, second finger, and thumb perpendicular to each other. A and B, you can set same direction of A and B. First and second finger. Then thumb direction is equal to vector n or A cross B, like this. You can use this one. If you want to find A into B, A cross B, then answer is modulus of A. We denote vector this way also. We can denote like this. So bold letter modulus of B and sine theta. These things denote only magnitude, but n is vector. N is vector, but perpendicular to A and B. Not only that, it must use right hand rule like this. If you use like this, then you can draw perpendicular each other and upside. It's very important thing. If A vector A and vector B with cross product, you have perpendicular vector like this. You have to find using right hand rule like this. If you want to find B into A, you want to consider like this. B from first figure, A from second figure. Then you can find direction of B cross A. It must be other direction. A cross B up direction. B into A must be opposite to that direction. Therefore, down like this. Therefore, B A into B or A cross B equal to the B cross A, because we have to use same data. Modulus of B, modulus A of A, sine theta. Same thing, but only unit vector has changed. N is unit vector, means magnitude is 1, magnitude equals to 1, but this time direction negative side. Therefore, we can put minus n. Then modulus of A, modulus of B, sine theta, n equals same as A cross B. Therefore, you have to remember this thing. This one is very important thing. B into A equals minus A into B. For the vector cross multiplications. In vector product, same unique vectors, value of same unique vector equal 0. Why? Unique vector into unique vector, same unique vector, I into I, denote from positive x-axis. You can write I modulus J modulus sine angle between I and I. This one also I know. I modulus angle between I and I 0. Then n. Sine 0 equals 0, therefore total value is 0. But this one also vector. Value is 0, but this vector quantity, because multiply by unit vector. Also, J into J cross J equal 0. K cross K also 0. But if we want to find cross multiple of perpendicular vectors like that, I into j, you have to use right hand rule. I this side. First vector you can denote from first vector. Second vector, second vector. Then you can find what is the vector n. Then vector n is k. I dot I cross I equals 0, j cross j equals 0, k cross k equals 0, but I cross j equals k, then j cross I equals minus k. Also j cross k equals I, therefore k cross j equals minus I. Also, you can consider k cross I also. I k cross I equals j, I cross k equals minus j. Vector product of those unit vectors you have to remember, but it is very hard to find because we have to think about uh, right hand rule and perpendicular or not like that. Therefore, same vectors always zero, no? I cross I, j cross j, k cross k. But perpendicular vectors, you can find what is the vector n using this method. If you want to find I cross j, answer is k. Other one. I cross j, answer is k. If you use reverse method, j cross I means opposite to the original method. IJK is the order. But you use j cross I means opposite to that order. Therefore, you can find it is minus j cross k equals other vector I. Also k cross I equals j. Like this. If you use reverse, vector n always minus. If you want to find j cross I, answer is minus k. K cross j, minus I cross k, minus j. Like this. If you use I and j, always vector n equals to k. If you use ij, vector n equals to j. You can find what is the sign. How? Using this method. That's the basic thing you have to know about vector product. It's very important thing. Now, we have to consider about scalar and vector product. We can write scalar product like this. A dot B. Vector A dot vector B. Vector product, we can write like this. A cross B. Definition is A dot B equals modulus of vector A, modulus of vector B, cos theta. Theta is angle between A and B. Also, A cross B equal to modulus of A, modulus of B, sin theta. And theta is an angle between A and B. N is perpendicular unit vector of A and B. Perpendicular to the A and B. Also, in scalar product, I dot I equals 1. But vector product, this one is dot, I cross I equals to 0. J dot J equals 1 for the scalar product, but J cross J equals to 0 for the vector product. For scalar product, K dot K equals 1, but vector product, K cross K equals 0. Other than any kind of scalar product equals 0. I dot J, J dot K, K dot I like this. But I cross J equals to K. But J cross I equals to minus K. J cross K equals to I. But K cross J equal to minus I. Also, K cross I equals to J. But I cross K equals to minus J. To find sign of unit vector, you can use I, J, and K. Ascending method. If you use this direction, always result is positive. If you use other direction, always result is negative. If you use I cross J, result is other one. If you use J cross K, result is other unit vector I, like that. This is the basic things you have to know about vector product. multiplication of vectors, there are two types, scalar product and vector product. Scalar product also only valid, but vector product is another vector perpendicular to A and B. In scalar product, we use cos theta, but vector product, we use sin theta. Also, main unit vectors, we can simplify like this for the scalar product. Also, unit vector, we can simplify this method for vector product.